Hello, my name is Eero Saava. I'm working at the Tallinn Strategic Management Office. My role in Tallinn is to create public infrastructure for electric vehicle charging and to facilitate renovation of old Soviet time apartment blocks. The nomination of being the European Green Capital, that has caused that all level in Tallinn city government, all levels of employees, everybody has now been thinking of how they can help in this green transition. Also, Tallinn Property Board has a large number of buildings under its management. I think the number is between 600 to 700, and it's consisting of schools, kindergarten, hospitals, city government buildings, and we have now the renovation of schools. I think 100% of Tallinn schools have been fully renovated. Up until 2030, we are going to renovate also all the kindergartens. We are now halfway there. A lot of investments will need the hospitals and also other city buildings. And there are like two main options: whether to build a completely new building, then Tallinn will build them according to the A energy class already, or to renovate the old municipal buildings. In that case, it's more complicated. We have to find financing, we have to calculate what these energy efficiency measures, how effective they really are. So it's always easier to invest into new buildings, and it's always more complicated to renovate the old buildings. So EBENTO project is a new program, new project, where in Tallinn there is a Tallinn Technical University is an active participant. EBENTO project is about OSS, so-called one-stop shop, and Estonia has a lot of experience in renovating apartment blocks. Actually, this active renovation of multi-story housing cooperatives, it started around 2001, 2002. So we have like 20 years of experience, and lately Tallinn and Estonia are leading in some very new technologies in that field.